Welcome to Choice Champions. The best wood screws is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any woodworking project, playing a crucial role in the structural integrity and aesthetic finish of your creations. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, selecting the right screws can make the difference between a project that stands the test of time and one that falters under pressure, ensuring your hard work is securely fastened and beautifully presented. Number 5. Mr. Penn Nail Assortment Kit. Introducing the Mr. Penn Nail Assortment Kit, your ultimate solution for all your fastening needs. This comprehensive set provides a wide variety of options to tackle any project. With 600 nails in 4 distinct sizes, you'll have the perfect fastener for every task. From small repairs to larger woodworking projects, we've got you covered. Crafted for durability, these nails are designed to resist bending, ensuring a smooth and effortless hammering experience. They are sturdy, straight, and sharp for optimal performance. Achieve satisfying results with ease. Their superior quality makes every task feel effortless, from general repairs to intricate woodworking. The included kit keeps your nails neatly sorted by size, making your work much more efficient. No more searching for the right fastener, it's all organized for you. These versatile fasteners are ideal for a wide range of applications, including general repairs and woodworking. They are the perfect addition to any toolkit. What we like. These nails are built to last, resisting bends for a smooth hammering experience. If you're tackling general repairs or woodworking projects and need reliable fasteners, these are a solid choice. Their sturdy construction ensures satisfying results every time. What people say. The Mr. Penn Nail Assortment Kit is a very practical and affordable option for small household projects. With 600 nails in 4 different sizes, it provides a good variety that works well for hanging pictures, light woodworking, crafts, and quick home repairs. The kit comes with 600 nails in 11 different sizes, ranging from 1/2 inch to 2 inches. The nails are made of durable steel and have a shiny finish. They are easy to hammer into wood, drywall, or plaster without bending or breaking. I like how they easily are grasped by my impact driver, and I had no problems driving them through wood. The notches are deep and rigid enough to be held onto by a screwdriver and an impact driver. Number 4. Mr. Penn Thumb Tack 500 Pack. Introducing the Mr. Penn Thumb Tacks, a bulk pack of 500. You'll have plenty for all your pinning needs. These pins feature a flat head design for a sleek, low-profile look. They are both practical and aesthetically pleasing on any surface. The classic silver finish offers a professional and timeless appearance. They are suitable for any setting, from offices to homes. Crafted for durability, these pins can easily pierce through various materials without bending. Your items will stay securely in place. Despite their small size, they offer reliable performance. These are a must-have for quick and easy pinning tasks anywhere. What we like. With a generous pack of 500, these offer a sleek, low-profile look. If you need a large quantity of reliable pins for your corkboard, maps, or posters, and appreciate a professional finish, these are ideal. They're perfect for everyday office or home use. What people say. The tack part is nice and sharp. In order to paint them, I lined them up onto a cardboard box. They pierced the cardboard with ease. They function just like a thumb tack should, and I have had no issues with them. This pack comes in a 500 count, so it would be perfect for an office space or a classroom, as there are plenty. They are matte without any shiny gloss, flat, and matches everything. They are the right size, not too wide, or small. I needed the tacks to go through the material and into wood, and found that a little push penetrates the wood so that I can finish off with a hammer. Number 3. 114 PCS Wood Push Pins. Get a generous pack of 114 wooden push pins, featuring 7 distinct styles and 2 elegant colors. This wide selection ensures you have the perfect pin for any item you need to secure. Crafted from high-quality, natural wood and durable stainless steel needles, these pins are built to last. They are lightweight and easy to insert, making them a reliable choice for your needs. Available in a natural wood tone and a rich dark coffee color, these pins add a touch of sophistication. Their premium appearance makes them ideal for enhancing your home, office, or shop decor. Perfect for attaching photos, posters, and cards to bulletin boards, corkboards, and more. They are also great for creating unique DIY craft projects, adding a decorative touch to your displays. These decorative pins are comfortable to handle and easy to remove, leaving minimal marks. They come neatly organized in a convenient storage box for portability and easy access. Elevate your craft projects and displays with these charming wooden pins. Their unique designs and natural materials make them a standout choice for any creative endeavor. What we like. These offer a unique variety of decorative wooden styles to enhance your projects. If you love DIY crafts, creating beautiful displays with photos and cards, and appreciate a natural aesthetic, these are perfect. They're designed for easy handling and minimal surface damage. What people say. There's a nice variety of shapes and 2 colors, so you can mix things up and make your board look more fun. The included storage box keeps everything organized and easy to grab when you need them. The different sizes are so nice depending on what I am using them for. The color shades are great too. They have last forever. These pushpins are beautifully made. I love using them and I get tons of compliments from my coworkers. The only reason I didn't give them 4 stars is because the actual pin on them is just barely too long. Some of them stick out very slightly when pushed in a corkboard that isn't very deep. Otherwise they do exactly what they're supposed to and I really enjoy them. I would buy them again. Number 2. Daisy Upholstery Tacks Red Copper. Introducing our decorative upholstery tacks, designed with a unique antique daisy pattern. They add a beautiful touch to any furniture piece. Crafted from high-quality metal with a double-layer electroplating process, these nails offer a beautiful finish and lasting durability. They feel great in hand and resist bending. These are ideal for a variety of DIY projects. Use them to enhance sofas, beds, headboards, chairs, or even jewelry boxes and wood crafts. Installation is simple with needle nose pliers and a tack hammer. To prevent bending, avoid holding the nail directly with your hand while hammering. Each box contains 100 pieces of red copper upholstery nails, each with a 7/16-inch diameter head and 11/16-inch height. They are the perfect size for your decorative needs. What we like. Featuring a unique antique daisy pattern, these add a special touch to furniture. If you're into upholstery, DIY furniture restoration, or adding decorative accents to headboards and chairs, these are a great pick. Their vintage charm elevates any project. What people say. They are sturdy, of good quality and have a pretty daisy design on top. Easy to use, I love the brass color, so versatile to use for upholstery, canvas even for use on a cork board. These upholstery tacks are just what I needed. They are decorative and seem to be sturdy. They make a nice finish for an upholstery project. Very easy to use. I felt like they weren't easy to bend, therefore giving a good hold. It's a good addition to use on any kind of fabric or material such as vinyl. They will hold very good value for your money. Very durable. The color and the shine was just as I expected it to be. Number 1. DOPHEE 100 PCS Antique Bronze Upholstery Tacks. You'll receive 100 decorative tacks, providing plenty for your needs. Each one measures approximately 11 by 17 mm, perfect for various applications. Crafted from high-quality iron with a plated surface, these tacks are built to last. They resist corrosion and fading, ensuring enduring beauty. Add a touch of classic elegance to your furniture. Their vintage design complements any decor, making your pieces more beautiful and sturdy. Installing these tacks is straightforward with the right tools. Use pliers and a hammer, but always be cautious to avoid injury during installation. These versatile fasteners are ideal for decorating sofas, beds, and wooden crafts. They're also great for fixing maps, photos, and other lightweight items. Suitable for a wide range of uses, they are perfect for your home, office, or school projects. Elevate your DIY endeavors with these stylish tacks. What we like. These offer a classic antique bronze finish for a vintage look. If you're working on furniture like sofas, chairs, or bed headboards, or even decorating wooden boxes and walls, these provide both durability and aesthetic appeal. They're designed to complement your decor beautifully. What people say. I used these to secure the mats on the deck stairs. They look great and were strong. I like that it is sturdier than any other tacks, and that it lies flat unlike other tacks that are rounded at the end of them. Big wide heads to grab fabric. Plenty of pieces in the bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.